If your Chrome is running slow, lagging, or not responding, then this video is for you. So make sure to watch till the very end. Firstly, open Google Chrome on your device and click on the three dots on top right corner. Then open the settings. Then on the left hand side, need to click on System. Then turn off Continue Running Background Apps when Google Chrome is closed and turn on the Use Graphic Acceleration red button. Now we will reset the settings to its default and click on Restore Settings. Then just click on Reset Settings. Now it will not delete any of your bookmarks and your history and password will be saved. Once you've completed this, you need to go to Extensions and make sure you remove all of the unnecessary extensions which you do not use. So I'm going to remove this one. After removing all the unwanted extensions, you can just close it. And now press Windows and R key together on your keyboard and type ncpa.cpl. And now a new window will appear. Now click on your Wi-Fi or Ethernet and go to Properties. Now make sure to click on Internet Protocol version 4 and then go to Properties. And here we are going to enter DNS server, and with this we will be able to load all the websites faster. So now you're going to click 8 and hit the right arrow button and click 888. And on the lower box you're going to enter 8844. Since the top one is for the preferred DNS and the next one is the alternative one. So once you've entered, just click OK and then close. Now you're going to restart your computer and see the magic. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you find this helpful.